Today, I'm going to show you how to create this baby Niffler ornament for your Christmas tree. Okay, so the things we will need to make our ornament is an ornament. So this is the plastic round flat fillable ornament that you can get at any craft store. I picked this up at Michael's. I think I paid $1.50 for it or something. I think it was originally $3, but they had them on sale. And the reason I decided to go with plastic versus glass on this one was I wanted to make sure that if someone shook it up that the coins that are inside wouldn't crack the glass. And I also wanted to make it kid-friendly because I feel like the little Niffler is so adorable that everyone's going to want to look at him and touch it. So by all means, you could use glass if you want to. The biggest thing here was just to make sure that the opening at the top was the right size for the coin filler. So that being said, we will also need some charms. So I picked up some gold coin charms. And these were in the jewelry section. And I picked up some silver coin charms. And then I'm going to put a chain instead of a hook on the top. Completely optional. You could just use a hook on the top of the ornament or a ribbon or anything like that. And lastly, we will just need our baby Niffler. I printed him on printable vinyl and cut him out with my new Cricut that I got for my birthday from my sister. So it's a really fun new toy that I have. But by all means, you could cut this out with scissors and use it on sticker paper, or you could just do regular paper and Mod Podge. Anything like that will work just fine, but I did cut this out with my Cricut Explore Air too. And I did use this on the Cricut Printable vinyl, which is a really nice medium as well. So it's a very similar premise to the sticker paper, except it's a vinyl instead of the paper. But by all means, you could definitely print this on sticker paper, or like I said, just use glue and regular paper. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our ornament, and we are just going to fill it with our coins. And then fill it with our gold coins. Okay, and then finally I'm going to place my Niffler. So I actually want to sit him so he looks like he's kind of sitting on the coins. And if you are using printable vinyl like I am, you do not want to use any of the transfer tape that you could use with regular vinyl because it'll pull your image off. So we just put them on by hand. So I just make sure that I wipe my surface down with alcohol, and then I rub some alcohol on my fingers just to make sure there's no additional oils, because then we're just going to peel it off of the backing paper. And once we have our Niffler on, then he is sitting all happy and proud on his little pile of coins. And he is so stinking cute. I love the baby Niffler so much. I wish they would have had a bigger role in Crimes of Grindelwald, but I love them. So that's why I definitely wanted to make this ornament. So at this point, all we do is put the top on. And now I'm going to attach my chain. And there you have it, our little baby Niffler on his bed of coins with our gold chain ornament. Perfect for your Christmas tree. So if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.